Here are 5 powerful books every beginner on investing should read. Whether you're just starting out or looking to build on your investment knowledge, these books offer valuable insights and practical advice that can help you become a successful investor. In this video, we'll go through each book on the list and provide tips on how you can apply their lessons to your own investment strategy. Book number 1, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This classic book is a must-read for anyone interested in investing. The main lesson is to invest with a margin of safety, or to only invest when the price of the stock is below its intrinsic value. Here are some tips to apply this lesson. Research a company's financials before investing to determine its intrinsic value. Look for companies with a history of consistent earnings and dividend payouts. And buy stocks with a margin of safety to protect against market fluctuations. Book number 2, The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. This book advocates for low-cost index fund investing and provides a straightforward approach to investing that is easy for beginners to understand. Here are some tips to apply this lesson. Invest in low-cost index funds to reduce fees and increase returns. Diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of index funds. And rebalance your portfolio regularly to maintain your desired asset allocation. Book number 3, One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. This book provides insights on how to invest in companies that you know and understand, and how to use your personal experiences to make smart investment decisions. Here are some tips to apply this lesson. Invest in companies that you know and understand, such as the products or services that they offer. Look for companies with a competitive advantage or unique market position. And monitor your investments regularly to stay up to date on any changes in the company or industry. Book number 4, A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton Malkiel. This book is a comprehensive guide to investing that covers everything from stocks and bonds to mutual funds and asset allocation. Here are some tips to apply this lesson. Invest in a variety of asset classes to diversify your portfolio. Use dollar cost averaging to invest regularly over time. And avoid trying to time the market, as it is difficult to predict short-term movements. Book number 5, The Psychology of Money by Housel. This book explores the emotional and psychological factors that can influence investment decisions and provides practical advice on how to overcome common investing mistakes. Here are some tips to apply this lesson. Avoid making emotional investment decisions, such as buying or selling based on fear or greed. Have a long-term investment mindset and don't worry about short-term fluctuations. And invest in yourself by continually learning and improving your investment knowledge. Hope you liked our book's recommendation. Let us know in the comment which of these 5 books you want to read. Click on the link in the description to find the book you want. Do you know other books newbies in investing should read? Let us know in the comments. We would love to know your book's recommendation. Hope you liked our video. Subscribe to receive our books recommendations, books review and more. Click on this video to see books recommended by Warren Buffett. See you.